Hey everyone! This is your Alexa. Today I'm excited to outbox the tiny remote control car. Let's open it. It's called Rapid Racer Car. Brought it from Walmart. Please check the description for buy options. It's very tiny car with rechargeable battery in it, and it comes with the remote, the charging plug on top of it. The build quality looks pretty good, plastic on top and steel base. There are screws to open up the base. Four AA batteries are required for remote. Let's turn on and see how it works. It has left, right, forward and back control. That's smooth and fast. That's all for the day. Stay tuned with us for hacked version of this RC car on Embedded Club. Thank you all.